Good morning, everybody.
With 3 minutes to spare.
We are in Port Aransas, Texas.
Yes.
We are at a cool RV park, like, what, a couple hundred yards from the beach.
Mm-hmm.
The edge of the RV park is actually buffers up to the beach, and it's got its own little walkway to get to the beach.
Yeah, we've already walked a couple times down here.
Yes.
We've been wanting to ride our e-bikes, but at our last stay, I popped a hole in my tire, and so we had to wait for Amazon to deliver the patch because I know we're going to get yelled at. We did not have a patch with us.
Right.
So anyway, but the bike's all done and ready to go. So today we're like, it's a beautiful day. I think it's like 68 today.
Something like that, yeah.
And it's only going to go up. I think we're going to hit 70, 71 here. So it's beautiful. So we're going to take a little bike ride down the beach. It is bizarro here, just because we're so used to West Coast beaches, where the majority of people, you get to the beach, you take all your stuff down, everybody's laying out on the beach. Here there's just cars and RVs and e-bikes and golf carts galore.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Because you can take your golf carts anywhere. It's a big golf cart community.
Yeah. Apparently riding on the beach with an e-bike or a golf cart is the only way to get to town, about 3 miles away.
That's right.
You're not allowed to take your golf carts on the highway, so you have to take the golf carts down the beach to the last exit, and then go into town and everything else where all the restaurants and bars and shops and everything else are.
It's really cool. It's a really cool vibe, and this is what we love. We love coming to places that you get to experience different things, and so
it's beach bum.
Yeah, but it's just amazing, and I don't know. I say it all the time. I'm just such a repeater on this channel, but what a blessing. We are so grateful for this life. So let's go. Let's go to town and
all right, we're gonna ride.
Let's go.
The sand is very hard. I mean, we've seen just little cars driving around here, let alone trucks and RVs and stuff. So it's a cool little drive. So we rode from our RV park down here to downtown Port Aransas. It's a little over 5 miles. And we stopped, we had lunch at this cool little place, McDaddy's. Came highly recommended. And then we just kept riding around, and we're down here at Fisherman's Wharf. You can kind of see the boats behind us. It is just an awesome place. Now I understand why so many people either rent or own golf carts around here.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I would not want to be driving around here in the big old dually truck.
But we did, and it was very snug.
Right.
So, yeah, it's, gosh, and the weather could not be more perfect.
No.
It is not too hot, it is not too cold, and it is just perfect.
And having the e-bikes is just incredible.
Yeah, this has been so much fun to, I think, because we got our e-bikes over, like, Thanksgiving, we did not get to utilize them right away.
Right.
We just were busy with the holidays, and then just not... I mean, we were doing stuff, but we didn't go out and do any trails or anything. So getting to use them and
go miles
and see like the benefit of having e-bikes has just been awesome. That I'm loving being able to ride our bikes around the town. So
absolutely. And for those of you guys that are wondering, we have the Fifth Wheel brand e-bikes. We've got a discount code down in the description if you guys are interested. I know there's a ton of different brands out there, but we like these, and we found these on another channel as well. But they're just so much fun. Yes, the fat tire.
Because they have the ones that are not fat tire. We went with the fat tire ones, which has worked out really well for the beach. Yes. Like, because you can do different terrain, which is nice.
At one point, we were going, what, 17 miles an hour on the beach? And it was like nothing.
I think you could still, though, do the smaller bikes on that. Because it was so packed in.
Right.
You just wouldn't want to get into anything too thick, obviously.
Right.
So.
All right. We're going to go keep riding around and enjoying the town.
Okay, so after a, was it 14 miles?
14-mile bike ride out to downtown, all around downtown, and back to the RV park.
This is where we ended up. We got a little snack. We brought some oranges. This is our view right now, and it's amazing.
Yes.
Right?
Oh my gosh. The little boardwalk from the RV park lets you right out here on the sand, and it is just cool. There are so many people out here.
Yeah.
And
it's a Tuesday, and it is like, well, and compared to like when we came out here the other day, there was like nobody, but the weather, it's warming up, and so it is just, I don't know how you're not outside in this weather. It's that beautiful. So like we said, we went 14 miles, and we still were like, yeah, we're not going to go sit in the RV.
Oh gosh, no.
We have bingo tonight, and we're like, yeah, we don't want to sit in the RV. Let's go out and let's go back to the beach and just chill. It's such a beautiful day, and we're going to actually come to the beach as it warms up even more, and actually be in swimsuits and actually stay on the beach. But today was just to come after our bike ride and walk a little and just enjoy this amazing view.
Yeah, I think we may actually bring the truck down here, load it up, put a cooler and the chairs and everything else.
Yeah, do our lunch and just have some time on the beach like we do in Carlsbad. But yeah, just enjoying it. It is just, gosh, I don't know. Everywhere we go.
And it's funny because this RV park is not a 55 and over, but I will tell you probably 90% at least are retired people like us. And they know how to live. I mean, some of the golf carts they're driving around in, and their flags, and they're just hanging out, living their best life. Every single little function that goes on at night has 100 to 200 people showing up at it.
Yes.
Last night we played card bingo, and there was almost 200 people there.
Yes, and you can tell it's a tight like community. Like these people have, this is their winters, and they love them, and it's very dog friendly. It is. We are definitely spring chickens here. Yeah, and we're not that young, but
we're the young retirees.
But they don't make us feel like they're very sweet. Everybody here in Texas has been so sweet. The dogs are amazing. The golf cart game is strong here. Yes. Like, if you don't have a golf cart, you are missing out.
We rode the e-bikes, and we were having golf carts fly past us on the beach.
Or just go with us. But it was fun. I've never seen anything like it. It's just, but it's awesome. Like, it's been so, big fishing.
Yes, a lot of fishing.
Lots of fishing here. So, so cool to see. So neat to see different places and what they're known for, and all their little treasures that they have to offer you. So
and what's funny is we haven't really seen a lot of other videos and other channels doing Port Aransas down here in Texas. I mean, we heard about this from some friends.
It's one of their favorite places to go, and that could just be that we haven't seen them. And who we follow, and I don't know. I mean, but it is what it is. But there's so many cute little like dive bars and fun little places that just they look amazing. So absolutely,
so leave us a comment. Let us know about Port Aransas. You ever been here?
And if so, maybe what time of year it is. We are right before spring break, so it's like perfect timing, because, and I hear it gets nuts down here for spring break. So
we will be leaving right before spring break.
So we it's been amazing, and it's still pretty crowded with this you know, older community, but it has been so enjoyable, and we haven't even tipped.
No, we've been here.
I mean, we've been here for a few days. So
today's a Tuesday, and we got here on Sunday, and we're here for 2 weeks, so we've got plenty more time to be riding around and turning into beach bums in Port Aransas. So way back here behind us, that's Port Aransas. We are out on the Port Aransas Pier. It is so cool. Kind of walk all the way out here over the ocean, or the Gulf of Mexico, I should say technically. And it's a big fishing pier. There's a lot of people fishing, tons of birds and seagulls and, oh gosh, what was that big one over there? Pelican? Big old pelicans are out there, It's totally cool coming out here on the pier. It was about 3.5 miles down the beach from our RV park, and we rode the e-bikes again. I mean, it's just an amazing day. A little breezy, a little cloudy, Yeah, we just decided we're gonna go out for another bike ride today and come down, check out the pier, maybe go into town. We'll probably have a little lunch again.
It does cost you to come on the pier, which I think is so odd. I've never seen that before, but that just could be me not knowing.
Yeah. What was it?
$3, and they can stamp you so you can come back and go all day. I think it's more for the fishermen. But yeah, so it was kind of nice to get off the bikes and walk a little bit.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we come out here and it's cool.
Yeah, if you guys, you know, it's another one of those things. If you're in Port Aransas, you got to come out and check out the pier. I mean, there's nothing on the pier. It's not like a Santa Monica pier where there's restaurants and games and stuff like that. It's literally just a fishing pier.
Yeah.
But it's still cool to be out here and look out over the Gulf, and
it's pretty views. You can look behind you and see the shore and you know, all the cute buildings and different things.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's I think it's worth it.
Oh, absolutely. Again, put it on your list. So we're at the Gaff here in Port Aransas. It's a pirate-themed dive bar, for lack of a better term. They sell pizza and beer. We're outside, a little windy.
They have like meatball subs and garlic bread.
Yeah, they had some other things on the menu.
Appetizers in there.
I guess their really big thing is, like, at night sometimes they do these belt sander races.
Yeah, it says the Gaff, birthplace of Texas belt sander racing.
Yeah.
Which was established in 2005. But they have this stage too, so I think they have live music. But this place has got to get really full. We're here when it's and it's small.
We're here on a Wednesday afternoon at 1 o'clock. So,
but yeah, dive bar for sure. It's what you see is what you get. It's no frills, but it's kind of what I would say nostalgic, probably, for people.
Oh yeah, it's kind of one of those endearing places. Like, they've got a separate bar outside. Obviously, it's closed right now. And they got all these decorations. It's all pirate themed, so it's pretty cool. And the pizza's really good. It really is.
It is good.
Yeah, it's just beer. There's no hard alcohol or anything like that. But it's good. Enjoy it. It's a beach day.
Yeah, so excited.
Yes.
Sun decided to come out, rise and shine this morning. So the last couple of days it's been like clouds, and then the sun and the clouds are fighting. So today the sun won. We're going to take full advantage and spend the day on the beach.
Yeah, it's like a little after 11. Got all set up and just decided we're going to do the beach day. And the nice part about this beach is you can bring your vehicle right out onto the sand. So we just loaded up the truck and drove on out here and parked. And what a great spot. I mean, we got the canopy set up. We're all sitting here.
Got our chairs.
Oh yeah, we packed a lunch.
And you don't have to lug it all, which is, it's not far from but it's just a lot of stuff then. We would have had to bring a wagon or something.
Yeah.
It makes sense with the truck. It's so nice.
Absolutely.
So.
And we keep the canopy in the truck anyway, so we didn't have to lug that or anything. But no, we are looking forward to a great beach day and just kind of chilling out on the sand and enjoying the Gulf. And a lot of people from the RV park come down to this immediate area, so maybe we'll meet some new friends and we'll see what happens.
Just have a great day kicking it. That's why we're here.
And the sand is so soft. This is like white sand, very soft, very pure. It's really good. We're enjoying ourselves already.